Today we're going to be discussing Object 11, the questions that are at the end of the chapter. And the first question is should we support the claim that the hegemon is needed in order to create a liberal world economy? I believe hegemon is very important to create a liberal world. We can see the perfect example through the hegemonic actions of the United States in the 1950s. Without its help, it would have been more challenging for Europe, Japan, and Britain, since they were in ruins and exhausted, to recover as fast as they did. And it is essential for an open world economy to sustain. Is the United States currently an altruistic or predatory hegemon? I believe the United States is a little bit of both. It does help out states when in need, but sometimes, or I should say the majority of the times, they benefit from weak states, like we could see as an example like the Middle Eastern countries. What is the soft power and which countries have it? According to Junior Nye, the soft power is when a country obtains the outcomes it wants in world politics because other countries want to follow it, admire its values, and most importantly, aspire to its levels of prosperity and openness. The United States of America is one of the best examples of soft power, since many nations look up to it. Define the development problem in the developing world and discuss how it should be analyzed. Which theory is most helpful? The development problem is that there are different theories that a developing nation should follow to become a developed country. It is an issue because there is no path that fits all nations, since they have problems of their own. It should be individually. Every aspect should be taken into consideration when choosing a theory to base it on. In my opinion, modern mercantilism is a theory that best works since it aims at equilibrium between states and market. Okay. Can the development problem be solved? The development problem will always be a problem since there will always be a need, since there will always be needed challenges to overcome and crises to face. The economy of a state can be stable today and drop significantly over time without major warning. The need of improvement will always be present and constantly changing. What is an economic globalization? What are the benefits and drawbacks of economic globalization? And what are the implications of sovereign statehood? Economic globalization is the growing level of economic interconnection between two national economies. For example, in the form of more external trade or foreign investment, is one aspect of economies. For example, in the form of more external trade or foreign investment, in one aspect of economic globalization. Economic globalization promotes local growth by stimulating overall growth and gives underdeveloped countries a chance to join the developed world. The drawback is that it could lead to worker exploitation increase and it weakens national sovereignty. Think of one or two research projects based on IPE theory. Okay, as a research project, I would like to conduce one that would make a deep analysis of the 4 Asian tigers and what theories they use to lead them to such progress.